you doing? Did I go for Uncle? Uncle went back to school. What, you calling Uncle? You calling Uncle? Huh? Oh, are you calling Uncle? Are you calling Uncle? Don't let me get in your way, pal. You want your golf club? No? Oh, you sharing with Maggie? That is so nice of you. She likes the other ball though, buddy. That one's too small for her. Are you trying to play with Maggie? Silly boy. You gonna sit in your big boy chair? You gonna sit in your chair? Hey, Chunky.